In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App without a card. So you can use Cash App without linking a debit or a credit card, but functionality will be limited. So you would basically go ahead and do it like you normally would. You would download Cash App from the App Store if you're on an iOS device or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, and you're going to need to sign up using an email address or a phone number. And then when it asks you to link a debit or credit card, you want to go ahead and press on skip, and you can proceed without adding one. Now, that being said, even though you still are able to make an account without a card, there are going to be some limitations with your account. Now, some of these limitations include not being able to get the Cash App card. You cannot order or use the Cash App card for ATM withdrawals or in-store/online purchases. Next up is transaction limits. So unverified accounts without SSN or ID are capped at $250 weekly sending and $1,000 monthly receiving. So therefore, if you're trying to make big transactions, then honestly using Cash App would not be a good option. Now, here's some tips that I recommend, and that is to link a bank account. So if you have a bank account but no card, link it via Cash App's banking tab using your account and routing numbers. This allows you to add or withdraw funds without a card. So you're still able to go ahead and do a lot with Cash App. So you guys are still able to add funds and receive money on Cash App, obviously. However, you will need to use your bank account instead of a debit or credit card. And Cash App may prompt for identity verification, SSN, ID, if activity seems suspicious or for larger transactions. Using fake details violates terms of service and risk account closure. So guys, just please be safe. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.